Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about NBKC Bank. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm always on the lookout for new and interesting financial products and services. And NBKC Bank definitely caught my attention. But before we get into the details, I want to ask you a question. What does local mean to you? For me, local means having a strong connection to the community. It means supporting businesses and organizations that are making a positive impact on the people who live and work in my area. And it means having access to financial services that are tailored to my needs and the needs of my community. So, with that in mind, let's take a look at NBKC Bank. Is it a local bank? Well, the answer is not quite as simple as yes or no. NBKC Bank is a national bank, but it has a strong presence in the Kansas City area. It has several branches in the region, and it's actively involved in the local community. So, I would say that NBKC Bank is a local bank in the sense that it has a strong connection to the Kansas City community. But it's also a national bank, which means that it has a wider reach than some other local banks. Now that we've established that NBKC Bank is not a traditional local bank, let's take a closer look at what it has to offer. One of the things that I like about NBKC Bank is its commitment to providing exceptional customer service. They have a team of friendly and knowledgeable bankers who are always available to help you with your financial needs. Another thing that I like about NBKC Bank is its wide range of products and services. They offer everything from checking and savings accounts to mortgages and loans. They also have a number of online and mobile banking tools that make it easy to manage your finances. Overall, I think NBKC Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a bank that offers a wide range of products and services, as well as a strong commitment to customer service. So, if you're looking for a new bank, I encourage you to check out NBKC Bank. You may be surprised at what you find. And with that said, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about NBKC Bank today. And I'll see you next time.